Uno wicked people at Jamaica down a wharf, Kingston wharf, lock packing, uno mo come out. But I now go so this time. May I ensure my sister got police station make a report and got court got put in a claim against uno too wicked. It box them reach from December before Christmas. I wanna say, oh, container no strip yet, container no strip yet. I yesterday should get the box. Because uno done that thief out the things them. Me say if then you take out 2 can or something or whatever it would so at but when you cut the rice and you cut the cornmeal and you throw on and put back on our phone.
You know what I mean? See woman selling her barrel, selling her things them. The man then going and thing them. Yeah, I talk about oh this now strip, oh this a take so long, XYZ I give be a story I try hold up the people them. And them a thief out the people them thing. To go up my supermarket, you know. The people them on the wharf now stop thief out the people them thing. When them ship them barrel come on a Jamaica, you know. The people them on the wharf now stop it, you know. And now the female feel the effects of the thieving people them down at the wharf, you know. Saying the female sending her thing them. I think I just thief it out this time. Them cut the bag them and throw out some of the thing them and put back some. It a get out of hand now. We do a video, you know, previously, you know, where a man selling him barrel, you know, and come to Jamaica, come clear him barrel and go in and barrel. And think them thief out and gone the same, you know. You know what I mean? And we are doing a video here now to show you that the thieving thing on the wharf is a serious thing and more evidence this. And we like how the people might come forward and share them story and people can know so we're not telling a lie on nobody. We're not telling a lie on no wharf. Them a thief out the people them think for sure. And once the people them put out their video, we are going to send it further. Some viewers and subscribers want to watch this. The female selling her thing them and the man them going her box or barrel and cut the thing them and choke some and leave some people. You get what I say? Some of the things them gone to. You may tell you say thing on a wharf is a disease. Then people are sending them money come out of Jamaica to some family and them ungrateful, them not thankful. And people are sending them barrel come out of Jamaica through the system. It's not even a scam or a backdoor deal. Through the system and them get scammed same way. What got me to read so as Jamaican people? We are trying to hustle for our own people. We not try to help people, you know. We try to hustle for them. But my viewers and subscribers, my YouTube family, don't just watch this.
Uno wicked people at Jamaica down a wharf, Kingston wharf, lock packing, uno mo come out. But I now go so this time. May I ensure my sister got police station make a report and got court got put in a claim against uno too wicked. It box them reach from December before Christmas. I wanna say, oh, container no strip yet, container no strip yet. I yesterday should get the box. Because uno done that thief out the things them. Me say if then you take out 2 can or something or whatever it would so at but when you cut the rice and you cut the cornmeal and you throw on and put back on our phone. A phone money by it. Uno too wicked. People that Jamaica in a devastating condition. Uno don't know people buy them things to help them people. Uno just feel entitled to go on. No sir, uno need for answer. And me not happy. Uno have to go down. I don't care if I want me give you more than 1 bag of rice already. But uno too wicked. I bet uno did beg it. And on top of that, 1 big sitting a box and 1 small box 30,000. What the discount? Why we have to pay for ship it? And then on top of that, we pay the company for ship it. And then the company of Jamaica need another fee as well. Uno thief no money, uno still a thief people food. If I never want thing, me just wish it no bad. But I got me serve and you not sleep. Y'all, uno wicked man. Let me have picture and video and receipt them and everything and the amount. Uno too wicked. I'ma say if I never put the things them in a box same way like the can them and them something they would have gone with them too. Uno would have gone with them if I never make somebody step them stay in a package or them come. Uno too wicked.
See, look a cornmeal the way that show in a box. See it there. See rice there. No brown rice not in this box yeah. I look at macaroni. I see rice yeah.
Oh God. A cut yeah.
And this a 20 pound and none in a box.
How?
The 2 buckle of coffee gone.
And How much of the chips gone?
It pay me hard to see people that work their hard earning money, pack a barrel, send it come to Jamaica, and when it reach, most of them things gone. What a day when the diaspora stop sending barrel and stop send money come to Jamaica. What a day, man. Me I tell you, because you see, we Jamaican people come like we not no love for each other. We could look at Jamaica where we full of so much love and vibes and energy and kindness. A big corruption and mash up the whole of we as people. We are hustler for people them. The people them can't get nothing done on a legit level. A big cut corner thing, your body want hustler for she or the old lady. You know what I mean? See woman selling her barrel, selling her things them. The man then going and thing them. Yeah, I talk about oh this not strip, oh this a take so long, XYZ I give be a story I try hold up the people them. And them a thief out the people them thing. We go up my supermarket, you know. I that them a do down there, you know. I delay the process with thief out the people them thing. We go open supermarket, our super plus or a master. I don't know what them want, a master mark or something them want go open. You get what me I say? Yeah man, that them a do. Because I don't know why them are going on the people them thing, why you can't just do your work properly. You not get paid monthly or weekly. The system not pay you. Why we not going to people them thing go thief out the people them things? Man sending them barrel, only do the same thing. The woman sending her food stuff them, only going to go cut the thing them and throw it when you want and put back some. And some of the thing them gone. Why we are beefs against one of people them man? Want to be beautiful Jamaica. I want to we as people really and truly we need to start check ourselves. People are sending them money, we are being ungrateful. People are sending them barrel, them are thief out the people them thing. What's going on with us as people? Why we can't just be honest and be loyal? Why we have to try to cut corner and a bad mind and jealous and them thing there and thief? What's wrong with us man? John no star another victim by the dust, you know. Who next I go further and say them thief out them thing down at the wall because it seems like this is a disease or a spell or something. You see me ask me people, John no star, may I tell you no, what a day when people stop sending barrel come to Jamaica and stop sending money and certain thing. What a day. And just go and continue upon the same part. Zane, all days pitney by Rockstone. The old people them never tell lie, you know. Who can hear must feel, you know. The viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. If you know, subscribe, drop a like on the video and share it out. And tell the people to stop thief out the people them thing on the wharf.